Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all are new to this session, please subscribe my channel and do likes and comment it. So today we'll talk about Lambda functions. So we have covered it last week. There is one more sample scenario. So today we'll talk about one more scenario, that is volumes. Okay. So how to use Lambda function to get the volume details and how to delete it. Okay. So for example, if the company they are using a multi regions, for example, there are 6 to 7 regions they are going to use it volumes. Okay. So how to grab the all the volumes details and how to delete it. Okay. So I'm not going to show you how to create a volume because that is a pretty easy to create a volume. So nobody will have to create a volumes from the Lambda. So by default, it is already there. Okay, that means existing volumes, how to delete it. Okay, so that is what I'm going to show you, and that is for multiple reasons. Okay, so it is not like a one reason. So multiple reasons volumes how we can delete it. So that is what I'm going to show you. So let's what we can do it today. So I'm going to create a one volume in the North Virginia. Okay, so let's create it. So I'm going to use it GP2 only. Okay, I'm going to create a one volume from the North Virginia and another volume from the OU. So this is for testing purpose. So I'm going to use it only for 5 GB. And by default, always GP2 will be there. So no need to select manually. Okay. So it is already there in the origin region. Okay. So now there are four volumes are there in the different zone. Okay. So whenever you need to create a function, you need to give the permission for the Lambda function. Okay, so what I've done it, so last session I just showed you how to create a role, how to attach to the function. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a Lambda function. Okay, so from here I'll just type it volume test for multi-region. Okay, I'm going to select Python 3.11. Okay, so from here execution role, I'm going to use it the existing. So this is my existing role. So I given the full access for the Lambda. Okay, so let's create a function. Okay, so once you are created a function, so you need to go to the configuration. Just for the timeout, make it as a 10 second. Okay, so now I'll back to the code. Okay, so right now this is for just default code. So I'm going to just mention it as a test. Okay, I'm going to remove this value. So I'll just save it. Okay, so this is for the testing, right? Let's see for the test. So we should get allowed. Okay, we're getting the output. Okay, now so I have a script. Okay, so what is that script it will do? So let me copy. I'll just paste it here. Okay, so this is the script. Okay, so right now I'm not going to use it like a filter option here. I'm going to just remove it here. Okay, I'm going to list out the all the GP2 volumes from the multi-region. Okay, so this is a script. I'm going to share it in the description. You can just copy and test it out your side. Okay, so now what I can do, I'm going to deploy it. So let's test it. So this script, what it will do, it will list all the GP2 volumes. Okay, that is about this script, Python script. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so it is getting some error timeout. Okay, let me go to the configuration. I will make it as a 30 second. It's fine. Okay, so let me test it now. So we should see the output here. Okay, see if you're able to see. So this is volume. Okay, if you wanted to know where all this volumes here is attached or which region is available, it will show us in the region and volume. Okay, for example, this is US East -2, right? Let me go to the US East 2. Okay, what is the volume ID? 418. Okay, if you go and verify it, so we're able to see it. Okay, so this is how we can see the output from the multi-region volume IDs. Okay, so that is particularly for the region wise we can able to list it out. Okay, so now I have one more script. Okay, so what is that script it will do? Okay, I'm going to just I'll remove the script. I'll paste it here. Okay, right now there is a US East one. Okay, so what all the volumes available in the US East one? So I don't want, I want to delete all the volumes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I just pasted all the Python script here. Okay, I'm going to just test it out. Okay, right now let's go and verify it. Okay, 7a. Okay, let's test it. So now, okay, so deleting volume ID. Okay, if you go and if you verify it, our volume is deleted. The same way, if you wanted to delete it different region, okay, just copy the region. Okay, come back to here and just paste it over here. One second. Let me paste it here. Okay, let's deploy and test it out. Okay, so here 418. Okay, so 418 is deleted. The same way you can able to delete it other two reason. Okay, so this is all about today's session, guys. So I'll come up with a new Python script and how to use it for different use cases. Okay, so till that, keep on watch my videos. Okay, if you have any doubts, so please reach out to me. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.